back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about edge control. I saw this edge control on TikTok shop, and a lot of people was asking me to review it, so I decided to go ahead and get it. This is the Bask and Lather edge control. It comes with a pretty good amount in here, and it is for natural and relaxed hair, free of alcohol and parabens. So what I decided to do was I decided to use it on my edges, and I decided to tie it down overnight to see how it will go. So this is the little card. And y'all can read the directions, or I'll read them. So it says, apply to clean hair, free of oils and styling products. Scoop a small amount of edge control on the back of your hand or another surface. Do not allow water to enter the jar. Apply a small amount of edge control to your edges on both sides of your head with a damp edge brush. Smooth through and style edges. Tie edges with a scarf. And if you scan this, you get 20% off your next order. It's also Black owned as well. Now they're known for their hair growth oil, but I wanted to try their edge control. So this is how it's looking. It's a little smushed. But that's probably due to me because I'm a heavy sleeper. I thought I got all my mascara off, but I guess I didn't. So this is how my hair is going to be looking. Not bad for overnight, I will say that. I do have a little bit of acne going on. Yeah. So I'm just going to take some. The only reason why my sideburns look bad is because I can't fit them in the scarf. But it's pretty good. And it just stays in place. And I'm not even using a lot of product. I'm gonna put this scarf on. Alright, and I will come back. I want to look at the ingredients of this too. The ingredients look good. And it smells pretty decent too. It does say apply water to your edge brush, but I don't do that. Yeah, so yeah. So let's see. Yeah. Not moving. Yeah, so I'm definitely messing with it. Like I said, this is the edge control. And it's a pretty good amount in here. So yeah, y'all, bask and lather, black on, strong hold. And I just twisted my hair, so I just combed my hair out and added a little bit of mousse and did these twists. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow my Instagram and my TikTok, Kyla Latrice. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.